All right, Rudy, so excited about math. Duke game's right here. All right, close it out for us. All right, what do I do, Rudy? Question: how many times is x going to x squared? Okay, so when you say once, if I do this, do I put a 1 right here? Correct. So I'm going to put the x here. Rudy, now we're going to multiply. X times x. Correct. X times negative 7. Correct. Alright, Brittany, let's go ahead and subtract. Good. (5x) is correct. Negative 2 minus negative 7. Opposite of a negative 7 is a plus, so this becomes plus 7. Negative 2 and a plus 7 is a 5x. What do I do next, Brittany? Brittany, how many times does x go into 5x? Yeah, remember if you do this little slide problem, you can do something like 5x divided by x, and you'll see that your x's cancel, and you have a 5 here. Brittany, if you multiply 5 times x, and Brittany, 5 times negative 7, and Brittany, when you subtract all of these, what do you get? You get 0. Raise your hand if you got 0. That basically tells us that x minus 7 is a factor. What does that mean? There's a remainder 0. Okay. Now we're going to do something called synthetic division. Put your pencils down and watch. Dylan, watch. Alright. Instead of putting x minus 7, if I ask you a question, if I set this equal to 0, what does x equal? X equals a positive 7. Okay? Just watch. Don't do anything. Don't write anything. X minus 7, if I set it equal to 0, you just add 7 to both sides, you get x equals 7. Okay? The next thing I'm going to do is write the coefficients. Everyone say coefficients? Coefficients are the numbers in front. What's the number in front of x squared? Coefficient here? Negative 2. And the last one is negative 35. You're just watching. It's going to go by so fast. The first thing you're going to do is something very similar to what you've done. Arrow. Multiply. Subtracting and adding are essentially the same thing. Multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. Add down and you get 0. Oh, it gets better, it gets better. Wait. Okay, now it's 1 less degree. So this does not represent x squared. It represents what? X. And this one represents the 5. And this one is the remainder. And that's your answer. So essentially x plus x minus 7, x plus 5. This equals x squared minus 2x minus 35. Okay, over here for long division. Tell me the steps. What did you do first? Okay, we divide, right? Okay, what do we do after dividing? Then we do what? Multiply. Then you subtract. Subtracting is essentially adding. Just adding a negative number. Bring down, Alonzo says. And you repeat. Okay, watch this. You repeat this number. Kind of out of order. I think we're supposed to go the other way. So our steps would be what? Bring it down. Then what do you do with this one?
Bring down, multiply.
Multiply.
And then subtract that.
Add or subtract. And then we do the repeat. So pretty much the same thing, but that arrow is just in a different place, right?